to create Pioneer account, from wherever you are. If you're in Nigerian, if you're in Ghana, wherever you are, Pioneer is one of the safest way you can earn, receive your payment. Things like Fiverr, Upworks, even TikTok, Pioneer has always been one of the safest way to receive your money. You can receive money into your Pioneer in dollars, in pounds, in any currency at all right, that the platform you work with pays. You can receive your money into Pioneer safely. It has always been one of the safest way. All right, Africans get their money easily. Okay, so in this video, I will be teaching you how to create your own Pioneer with your phone, with your laptop, whatever device you have that has a browser on it. You can easily use it to open it. Now, here is the thing. We have Pioneer app, that you can download from the Apple Store or in Android Store. You can download it from them. But when it comes to registration, you don't go to the app to register. You go to the website to register. The apps comes in when you must have done with the registration and you're trying to start using it. Okay, that is when you download your app. Okay, so some people think immediately you get the app, you know. When you want to create your Pioneer, go to the website. Just have that in mind. When you're done with the website, you now move to the app to start using it. Okay, so in this video, I will be showing you how to do that using your phone, using your laptop. Okay, to do that. So if it's what you're interested in, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's go to the desktop. Let me show you how it is done. Now, these are the three IDs that you can use. You can use your national ID card. You can use your driver's license. You can use your international passport. Now, this IDs varies in countries. For Nigerians, we have three that they accept. So any of these three goes. Okay, so let's go. Let me show you how it's done. So this is my phone, okay, that I'm using. I just want to show you how it is done through phone before moving to my laptop. Okay, so with phone, what you need is you go to your browser, whichever browser you're using, type in Payoneer.com. Okay, when you type in Payoneer.com, now for you to create a Pioneer account, you don't do that on your account. Rather, you do that on your, what is it called? On your browser. You go to their website to register, not on the app. The app is after registration is when you go to the app. Okay, so when you go to your browser, you type in Payoneer.com. This is how the interface will open. Okay, once it opens this way, you can see you go up, click on open account, or you can click on sign up. Okay, but I'm clicking on open account. All right, now once you have done that, it opens. So you wait for it to open. It's network. All right, you wait for it to open. Now you can see freelancer, online seller. Let me take this up. You can see these are the 5 places you can choose for. Whatever you do, the only 2 places you can choose is freelancer or affiliate marketer. Okay. So you must choose between freelancer or affiliate marketer. Okay. Have that at the back of your mind. Every other thing require more details. Okay. Because what you're using it for is for platform that will be paying you. So you see, get paid and make payment globally, adding funds from any banks, convert currencies and more. That is when you click on freelancing. All right. The same. Then you click on affiliate marketer. This is what it gives you. Affiliate marketing gives you 2 options. The additional one is promote Pioneer and earn commission. So when you click on affiliate marketing and you share your link to somebody and the person uses it, you get commission from it. All right. So once you're done, you click on register. All right. Once you click on, this is phone way of picking it. I'm using my phone to do this. I just want to show you how it is done with phone before moving to the laptop. When you click on register, this is how it is. Now you see this blue tick. Please do not change it. Always leave it as no, my business isn't registered. Always leave it at that. You see, you go down, your first name, your last name, your email again, and date of birth. All right, now once you fill in all these, all right, the next step will be different. You proceed, sorry, you click on next, then you proceed to the next. It is very important. Please have that at the back of your mind. This is me using, I'm using my phone in this, all right? I'm just trying to show you, if you're using phone, it's still the same process, but make sure you are using your browser. You went to their website and to do this. So you key in all the necessary information. Please, your original name, the name on the ID card you're to use, the name on the name you're to use, that is what is needed here. The name on the name and the date of birth. If yours has date of birth, that is what is needed here. Please don't make that mistake. It is very important. Change the date. Make sure everything you're filling in is accurate. Do not make mistake. Now, if you're using somebody's ID card for this, all the details you're to fill in should be that person's details. The date of birth on the ID card, that is what you need here. The name on the person, the way it is, the first name, the last name, everything about the way it is on the ID card, that is what you're to fill in this first stage. All right, now once you're done with it, filling the date of birth, the next thing is you click on next, and once you click on next, all right, it is very easy. So once you've gotten here, you click on next. Now I'll be moving to my laptop. Okay, I just want to show you guys, you can actually do this with phone, you can actually do it with laptop. So the next phase is me moving to my laptop. Once you've gotten it this way, click on next, you move to your laptop. So let's go to my laptop. My laptop, okay, that I'm using right now. So it's equally the same thing. Go to your Google, you type in Payoneer, choose the first one, right? It's a sponsored ad anyway, but just choose the first one, or you choose the second one, whichever one is okay. Now once you open it, you see how it is. This is how it is. Okay, you're seeing it now. You either click on get started or you click on sign up. Two of them, you're good to go. All right, now you click on get started. I'm clicking on get started. All right, so once I click on get started, I'll allow it to open. This is a browser, so if your network is speed, it will be fast. If it's not speed, like mine is slow, this morning is a little bit slow, so it will take time to open. So I'm actually waiting for it to load while I continue. It's actually loading. Okay, so guys, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel. All right, so this is how it will come out, just like the phone. You can see freelancer, online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation, individual. You either choose freelancer or affiliate marketing. If you choose freelancer, this is what you get. All right, that means you can do two things. You can promote Payoneer and get paid. Okay, so when you click on register. So when you click on register, all right, it will take you to this page. Now you can see that purple tick. That is the first step of your registration. In this first step, remember, you see that blue tick, always leave it where it is. If you watch it, it says, no, my business isn't registered. You don't have any registered number. So do not go there, all right? Leave it the way it is. You start filling in all this. Fill in your first name, fill in your last name, fill in your email address. What email address do you use? Email address that you know nobody has access to, only you that have access to it. Email address you registered yourself. That is what you put here. Do not put somebody's email address, please. Then your date of birth, you fill it. Once you have done filling all this, you click on next. It's as simple as ABCD. It doesn't take time. All right, you click on next. Once you're done, you click on next. If you're done, I'm filling in my name so I can click on next and continue to the next step. You can see the second step. When you click on next, it takes you to this place. All right. Now, in this place, you'll be filling in your country. If you're in Nigeria, you fill Nigeria. You fill your street. If your ID card has anything about street, please let it be what you fill in here, especially those that have international passport. But if it doesn't, just like your name doesn't have that, so you can fill any ID information there. Then your phone number, you fill it. Then now that phone number you will add, they will be sending you verification code to your phone number. Once that is done, you click on next. You proceed to the third. The third is for security purposes, where you key in your email address. Now you'll be asked questions like, what time was your father born? What is the name of your first school? No, choose the one you know you can remember anytime, because if for any reason you misplace anything about this you misplace anything or you're trying to log in, there is issue, you will be asked this question. If you answer them correctly, you will not have issue logging in again. This is a security question and it's very important. All right, so you choose anyone, you answer it. Okay, now another thing is your country ID. The ID you're trying to use, is it a Nigerian ID? If it's not Nigerian, don't put any other. Now I'm using Nigerian, I'm using national ID, so I'll choose Nigerian national ID. Now if you come here, they will ask me to put my ID number. Your name, key in your name. That is what they need here. Your name is what they need, so you key in your name. All right, now once that is done, the next thing is you click on next. Now you see this password. That is the password you'll be using to log in. Please make sure you key in password you can remember. The password when you will not forget. Key in the right password. Re-enter it too in your password. This password is very important. Don't make mistake. Okay, now you move down to your ID. All right, you move down to your ID, correct it. Okay, the security answer, I'm trying to change it. All right, now once that is done, you click on next. I'm sorry I didn't give you guys, show you guys what I was putting there. So this is the final stage. You can see now you will leave the click here. You can see you need to key in your Nigerian bank account. If it is First Bank, put your First Bank. The first account you need to start with is a Nigerian bank account. That is where the money that comes into your Payoneer will go to. Your Nigerian bank account, if you have First Bank, change it to First Bank. If you have UBA, change it to UBA. You have Zenith, change it to Zenith. Any bank account you have, key in. Make sure the name tallies with your original name. Then the next thing is your account number. That is what you put here. You can see I'm keying in my account number. Once that is done, boom, you see this is where you are. Application completed, review in progress. They are reviewing it. Okay, so what you do once you've gotten to this extent is go to your mail. All right, you will get every information. If your account is reviewed, you see it in your mail. If you've been accepted, you see it in your mail. Now if you key everything correctly, you will be accepted. Make sure before registering your Payoneer, please, if you know you have registered Payoneer before, do not register 2 times. You will be blocked. You will be rejected. If you have a Payoneer before and you want to register on that one with the same information, you will be blocked. If you have registered before and you have issue, want to use another person's information, do not. This is my email they sent to me that they've gotten my application. All right, so you go to your email. Every other thing you need, you'll be seeing it in your email. Now you can see they asked me to sign it here. Sign in here. If you have opened a Payoneer before and you mistakenly there's an error or something, please do not try opening again. Use somebody's credentials to open. So when you open it, these are the things you have: your US account, you have your Euro account, and the rest of them. You get it? So guys, if you have any question to ask, please feel free to ask. All right, drop it on the comment section. And if you're having any issue with all this, you can always chat me on my Instagram or